There we go again, guys. To the dark 30. Everything's going off. Yeah, it's been hitting the fan out here lately. There was some in our region. You can hear another siren 20 miles out. Hear that? Stage for a disaster. They may keep saying, guys. I'm retired fireman medic, and I pray nothing happens here, but it's just a matter of time, man. There are just too many high structures here to be hit. And God bless them. Ukrainian people are resilient. I met many here. They're great people. The ones I try to talk common sense to or give a fair warning of what to do if in a high-rise, so on. I hope they're listening to me. They seem sincere, but yeah, it's just it just breaks my heart, guys. I see the writing on the wall. I look at these buildings every day, even where I'm at here. People don't even take this seriously. And it's just the normal. I get it. They've been in the war zone not only since February 24th, 2022, but they've been in the war since Crimea 2014. So even me, I'm just shocked by what I see daily. Same today, I seen the woman with the 1-week-old baby just cruising around. There's no alarm then, but yeah, when it goes on, people are just cruising. It's just, as an American, it just trips me out. And I get it, dude. Don't get me wrong. I've been numb before. Same here. Normally, this makes the hair stand up on my neck. And yeah, I've even become accustomed to this. It's just the normal, you know? But I heighten my senses, I pay attention, same thing. The worst thing now is nighttime. People are sleeping. I won't say what time it is, but yeah, it's very late in the morning. I'm literally wide awake now and just amping. That's just me. So, I'll keep it right here. I'm making these long-ass videos, and then I can't upload them in a timely manner. So I'll keep it here, but yeah, the sirens are wailing away. Same here. I've only seen the fire department drill once, nothing against them. They did listen to me. They did do a drill, but they are not even prepared right here, unfortunately. And I've told this right to their face. I've told the city council. I've told members of the media, which I'm constantly getting bombarded by interview, whatever, nothing. I'm not going to do that, but I tell them, go and talk to these people. And they're all aware of it. So basically they have what they have, and that's the way it is, and I'm just rambling on, exhausted, but anyway. Jonathan here will keep it going here in Ukraine, 2022. So have a good one wherever you are in the world. Okay, goodbye.